The best way to watch Washington grown is to get in your comfy pajamas and snuggle up with a big bag of potato chips. But where do these chips come from? And how do they go from spud to our favorite salty snack? Today, I'm meeting up with Derek Davenport of Allied Potatoes to find out how the magic happens.
Our potatoes are used for chip processing. So all your potato chips that we ship to for Frito-Lay and Kettle. And we also export quite a few of our potatoes overseas, whether it's Asia or Central America.
So just potato chips everywhere.
Yeah, good quality potatoes are easy to sell.
What makes a good chipper potato?
The low sugar content, good quality, the roundness and the size, the friability, the color, all those things are great for being fried into a chip, made into a French fry, mashed potatoes, however they want to cook the potato.
Next, Derek took me to the processing facility where chipping potatoes are cleaned and sent to the processors to be made into chips.
The truck isn't loading outside. They go through the washing process, clean all the soil off. By the time they get to here, they're looking for any maybe rocks from the field, maybe any potatoes that are broken or defected, and they're pulling those out and they're throwing these other bins, and all the good potatoes are going to go this way, and they'll get shipped off to the plants to be processed into potato chips.
Awesome. Do you have any idea about how many potatoes come through your facility on a daily basis?
A lot. So a semi-load is about 25 to 30 tons.
Okay.
And we can run 25 to 30 semis through here in a day.
Wow.
That's a lot of potatoes.
Yeah. Does size matter with chipping potatoes?
It does, yeah. You don't want a large potato in a chip bag. You know, you want something within a medium size range where a person can eat a size of a chip.
Fit in your mouth.
Yep.
Yeah.
We don't want like a massive potato chip in a bag, you know, because whoa, I can't
Although
even get that in my mouth.
Although it might be kind of fun.
Yeah.
One time.
Yeah. Sometimes the potatoes can get a little bit large, and we peel off the bigger potatoes, and those go to food distribution centers where they'll get made into restaurant business. They'll make them into mashed potatoes, French fries, or whatever.
So no potato goes to waste.
No potato goes to waste, exactly. This is our quality control lab.
Okay.
We'll cut them open, we'll fry them in here. So basically we can't see it right now, but there's a certain amount of sugars within these potatoes. Too much of sugars will cause a dark fry.
Okay.
And the lower the sugar content will show a good white fry. So that's exactly what we're looking for.
That's what you want.
We'll try and reenact basically how that processing plant will fry them up.
Sure.
Only thing here is we don't get to put them in a fancy bag and have all the good flavors that they have.
Yeah.
Still a little hot.
You think?
Yeah.
You know when they say once you start, you can't stop?
Yes.
Yum. What are the chances that if I buy a bag of chips that it's from Washington potatoes?
I would say in the realm in the 90%. Not just from our farm, but there's other chip growers within Washington State that ship to these plants as well. And so the odds are very, very high that you're getting local potatoes in these bag of chips.
That's what we love.